Are we rolling? All right, great. Okay, well, hello YouTubers and RVers. We're having fun in our RV now. Well, that fun right now, springtime, is getting it ready for the camping season. Yeah, we're really getting fired up for that. Every time we come here to work on it, we're like, let's go now, you know, that kind of thing. But anyway, here I am coming to you from our bathroom. That doesn't sound good, does it? Well, let's be more accurate. I'm coming to you from our shower. That doesn't sound much better, does it? No. But we're going to be talking about your shower head. Now, if you think, well, what's there to talk about? Well, there is something. There is something to talk about that's kind of important. And if you're interested in that sort of thing, or interested in the kind of stuff that we do, hey, don't forget to do that subscribe, like, hit that bell, notification button, stuff like that. We really appreciate it. But let's get on with what we're going to talk about. All right. Chances are, if you have an RV with a shower in it, you have the shower head that came with it. They have the one that came with it. And that's just a fact, okay? Today's video is not so much about how to change the shower head, because honestly, I'll bet you every one of you can do this. It's not difficult. And you probably already know how to do it, but you probably haven't done it. And why should you do it? That's the topic for today. Why you need to change your shower head from the one that came with your RV. Why do I sound so insistent? Well, we learned the hard way, okay? We learned that if you take a shower, yeah, it uses up the water in your tank, but most of the time, we're camping at places that have at least electricity and water. What they don't have in most Texas state parks is, you know, the full hookups with sewer. I know Texas state parks that might have 100 or 200 sites, but they may only have 4 that have sewer hookups, and those are reserved for the park hosts, you know? And so you're gonna have plenty of water most of the time. What you don't have is room in your gray tank. All right, we found this the hard way. We didn't realize how quickly we fill up the gray tank by taking a shower. We went to camp at a place for like 4 days, something like that, a state park, and we're doing fishing stuff and hiking stuff, so we kind of want to take a shower. And this is one of our first or second trips a couple years ago, and the next thing you know, our shower is filling up with water because we've filled up our gray tank. Well, what do you do in that situation? Well, the right thing to do is take down your whole tank, pick up all your stabilizers, disconnect everything, and you go over and you go to the dump station, you dump it all. Now, if you're industrious, if you have enough money, you're industrious enough, and you've got one of those big plastic tubs that you can drain your tank in, and then you gotta roll it or take it over to the dump station, well, that's good. I mean, that's a good thing to do. That's an alternative. But a better alternative is to just not use that much water while taking a shower. All right. Now, what we've started doing in these situations, and we know we're going to be somewhere for a long time at a state park, and we know we're going to be taking showers, we try to get a place near the shower, and we use the park showers. Because, especially using this shower head, you got 4 showers, and then your gray tank is full. That's it. Okay, this shower head right here has these great big holes in it. See that kind of thing? Lots of water come out. What you want to do is you want to get a shower head made for RVs. This is just like a regular home shower head, made for RVs that still produce pretty good force, pressure, but use very little water. And that's what I've got right here. This is an RV low volume shower head. Today we're going to replace this pretty much home shower head with this shower head. Now, the holes on this one, look how big they are, and they got these like nozzles and stuff. The holes on this one, you can't even see the holes. They're there, but you can't even see them, and they're so fine that you still get lots of pressure, but you use very little water. This means that if you're boondocking for any length of time and you want to use your shower, you need to use your shower, you can still do it, and you won't fill up your gray tank near as quickly. This uses very little water compared to this one. Now, how hard is it to to switch out. Well, I hate to tell you this, but you don't even need tools, okay? Watch this. Put this under here, twist this off here like this. That comes right off. It should go right on. I'm from the 70s. Right on, man. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I said that. Okay. All right. That twists on just like that. And you're done. The important thing is that you're going to now save water. Saving water is a good thing all on its own. Saving water that's not going in your gray tank and going to cause a terrible inconvenience is even better. You want to see this thing spray? Let's try it out, okay? Hang on just 1 second. No, nope, I don't have any water in the tank. Wait a minute, maybe I do. Hang on. Come on. There we go. Nope, not enough water to do an accurate demonstration. But you see what I mean. Little bitty holes, still going to have good pressure, and it's going to save room in your gray tank. All right, is that good? Is that a good lesson for today? Is that okay? All right, that's good. All right, we'll see you down the road.